Hulk is one of my favorite characters from the Marvel Universe and one of my favorite Avengers. And on this video I'm gonna show you how to make his figure. Don't forget to leave your like and enjoy, creator. Let's begin. Creators, welcome to the first Heroes and Villains Week video. On this video I'm gonna teach you how to make Hulk, although it's actually Marvel's week video since the next video will be about how to make Thanos. And next week's video will be how to make my favorite Avenger, which is Spider-Man. But for this video I'm gonna teach you how to make Hulk, so sit back and enjoy, creator. We will start with a black round wood plank with a nail in the middle. This is an amazing base for the figure since you can make the figure around the nail and use it as a skeleton. I love to make the figures as a decoration with an awesome pose instead of just a static boring pose. So some figures on my channel are full bodied and some are just half of it. It depends on what is the pose that I like the most for the character. In this case, for Hulk, I went for a half-bodied armless Hulk, so the focus of the figure is the angry expression. But enough talk, let's begin with the tutorial. As I said, I started with the black round wood plank, and for the body we will make a large cylinder and place it on the nail. And this will work as the base body, you could say. An awesome way to make muscular bodies is to first start with a flat base body and place above each muscle one by one. That way it's a lot easier to have the little details done right. As you can see, we're almost done with the front part of the body. It's a lot easier to make these kind of figures the way I explained before. Right now we are making the details for the shoulders and we'll start making his chest. And you could say this is like a puzzle where you just add piece by piece, and that way you will end up with the whole body. It's important that you join all the pieces in the way that it all looks like one piece, and you will have to do this in every figure you make, since it will improve the final result by a lot. After this you only have to make the little details that every muscle has, and you will be done with the front body. I really like the Hulk version they did in Endgame, but I honestly prefer by a lot his previous self, where he literally smashed things. So I wanted to make that version for the channel, since for me it's the best Hulk there is. But still, I truly loved Endgame. I think every character was extremely well written. So I really enjoyed it, and that's why I really want to make more Marvel characters, so expect more tutorials in the future. So let me know in the comments down below which character you would like to see next. Great creators, now that we are done with his body, we will start making his face. This will be a try not to laugh challenge, since his face really looks pathetic until I start adding his expressions. You will see what I mean in a minute. As I did with the body, I made a base head, you could say, where I just made the 2 holes for the eyes and the hole for the mouth. This is a great technique for making faces as well, since it lets you have more control on the details of the face that you want to add as well as the expression that you want to make. After this, we only have to make the eyes and the interior of the mouth. The eyes are extremely simple. You only have to add a small flat circle for the iris, another flat circle for the pupil, and then another flat circle for a little shine for the eyes. After the eyes are done, it should look a little bit like this. As you can see, it's starting to look really creepy. But now we will start making the interior of the mouth with black clay, and then we will add a tongue. This is very easy, as you can see. And after this, we will make 2 small white stripes and place them as Hulk's teeth. After this, we have successfully made a weird green monster going to the bathroom. If you're enjoying the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. The more likes a video gets, the more I know that it's a theme that you would like to see for other weeks. Also, I will leave the link for my Instagram on the comment down below so you can follow me. There I post the pictures of the figures I've made, as well as the figure that I'm making. That way you will know which character I'm working on next. So creators, click that bell and subscribe for more videos. As you saw, we already added some of the parts of his face, like his forehead, cheeks and eyelids, and now it's time to add his jawline. This is the same as we did for the body. It's like a puzzle. You only have to add piece by piece each part of his face, and don't forget to join each piece so everything looks like one single piece. This is very important. By making this is a lot easier to make the expression and to have control of every single small detail that the character may have on his face. Right now we are adding the lips, and we will join it to the rest of the figure. As I said before, we have to do this with every single piece that we add. And basically this is everything you have to make for Hulk's face. After this, we only have to draw, you could say, his expression lines. Awesome creators, now we will start making the most important part of Hulk's face, which is the eyebrows. The eyebrows are the part of the face that makes the expression, so you have to be extra careful here. For my figure, I wanted to make him like he was mad and yelling, so the eyebrows have to be with an angry angle, you could say. And the forehead has to be almost at the same level as the eyebrows. After this, we will draw the expression lines all over his eyebrows and forehead, and you can see how this small change really actually did a massive change on his face. Great creators, adding the eyebrows really made him beat the Hulk. It's awesome how small details like that can change the whole figure. This is actually one of the reasons why I love sculpting. It's like watching how something so little can change literally everything, even if it's for the better or for the worst. But back to the figure, we will add the ears. After we add the base where we will place the hair. I don't know if I've explained that well. We will draw the details for the ears, and then we will start making the hair. It's very simple to do. We only have to make small drop shaped pieces and place them on top of the base we made for the hair. After that, we only have to draw lines all over the hair piece or the drop shaped piece and repeat this process for the rest of the hair, and we will be done. After the figure is done, we will cover it with matte lacquer. I like to finish all of my figures with this, since it gives them an amazing look at the end result. So I really recommend you to do that as well. And this is how the figure of Hulk turned out. I really hope you enjoyed the process and the tutorial. I absolutely loved how the Hulk turned out, and I really hope you did as well. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, creator.
Hanukkah